Did you know that investing just $100 a month could potentially turn into over $100,000 in just a few decades? Crazy, right? Most people think you need a ton of money to start investing, but that's just not true. Stick around, and let's dive into how you can make this happen. Welcome back, everyone. Today, we're exploring an incredible wealth-building strategy that anyone can start. Yes, even you. We're talking about turning just $100 a month into a fortune. This is a game changer and it's super accessible. So let's break down how you can start building wealth, no matter your current financial situation. Now let's talk about the challenges many people face when it comes to finances. A lot of folks are living paycheck to paycheck, struggling to make ends meet. It feels like there's never enough money to save or invest, right? And on top of that, there's this common misconception that investing is only for the wealthy or those who can throw down thousands of dollars at a time. But here's the truth, you don't need a huge pile of cash to start investing. In fact, starting small can lead to massive gains over time. So if you've ever felt overwhelmed or thought investing was out of reach, this strategy is for you. Alright, let's dive into the nitty-gritty of the $100 a month strategy. First off, consistency is key. You're not just tossing money into the void, you're making a commitment to invest regularly. So, how do you do it? You can start by opening a brokerage account or using investment apps that allow you to invest small amounts. Look into index funds or ETFs. They're great options for beginners and usually have low fees. Now let's talk about the magic of compound interest. This is where your money starts working for you. Over time, the interest you earn gets added to your initial investment, and then you earn interest on that. It's like a snowball effect. Small amounts grow into something much bigger. And remember, patience is crucial. This isn't a get-rich-quick scheme, it's about planting seeds now for a harvest later. Let me share a quick success story to really drive this home. Meet Sarah. She started investing $100 a month in her early 20s, and by the time she hit her 40s, she had amassed over $200,000, all thanks to her commitment and the power of compound interest. What's even more inspiring is that Sarah didn't have a high-paying job. She was just consistent. Her story is a testament that anyone can do this if they stay committed and trust the process. So, to wrap things up, investing $100 a month can truly lead to significant wealth over time. Remember, the key points are consistency, understanding the power of compound interest, and being patient. It's all about making small, regular investments that can grow exponentially with time. You've got this. Now I want to hear from you. What do you think about the $100 a month strategy? Have you ever considered investing? Or are you already on your way? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And if you want to learn more about investment tips and inspiring success stories, don't forget to check out our next video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.